Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Today's our last video in our Harbor Freight Utility Trailer Assembly series. The reason we bought this trailer was because it folds up for storage. So today we're going to fold it up and store it. Let's get started. There are 6 bolts that need to be removed, so I'm going to get under the trailer easily using our Harbor Freight creeper. There are 2 bolts in the middle that I'm using our Ryobi cordless ratchet to easily remove. And there are 2 carriage bolts on either side by the wheels. Here I am removing the first one, and the second one is right by the fender, which happens to be an issue on this side when removing the bolt. We've tried adjusting the fender but are unsure why it's so difficult on this side. But we got it removed and moved on to the other side. Again, here's the side carriage bolt, and here is the location of the carriage bolt right above the axle. You can see here the carriage bolt fits into a square notch in the frame. Carriage bolts have a square neck and smooth bolt head. Now we're able to fold the back half of the trailer onto the front. In our installing the deck video, we countersunk the bolts attaching the deck to the frame, so now the trailer halves fold completely flat. The manual says to bungee cord the 2 halves together, so that is what we're doing here. But our friend Steven has another method that he uses to secure the halves using a piece of 2x4 in the brackets and screwing it into place. We might switch to this method in the future. We were going to store the trailer in Mom's garage, but decided this little alcove in Mom's backyard will work perfectly as it has a nice overhang to protect the trailer from the elements. So we scooted it into place, and one thing we want to mention is it's pretty heavy. Mom and I tried doing this together but were unsuccessful, so my dad is stepping in to help lift this into place. I started by removing the trailer dolly from the coupler and moved to the side to help Dad lift the trailer. This takes a lot of upper body strength, but I'm unsure actually how much it fully weighs. Once it's upright, it's supported by 4 casters. These casters seem a little flimsy, so I wouldn't do a lot of moving once the trailer is upright. Next, we remove the R-clips and L-latches that hold the tongue assembly in place. Then we slowly folded the tongue assembly down, making sure to release the extra wire so they didn't get pulled out. Again, this takes steady upper body strength. But here it is all folded up, and you can see it does not take up much space. Lastly, we covered it with a large tarp to help protect it even more from the elements. Then we put a ratchet strap on to hold the tarp in place. Here's a good view of the trailer underneath the house eaves. And here are all the other trailer supplies that we have stored in our storage area of the garage. One thing to note, Mom and I cannot put the trailer upright together, which is a little limiting. So in the future, we might just fold the trailer up but not put it upright and cover the trailer with a tarp. It will take up more space, but it might be more accessible to us. The nice thing about this trailer is there's a lot of options for uses and storage. If you have a trailer like this, let us know in the comments how do you store it. And if you want to see the entire trailer assembly process, you can click on the playlist right here. And if you want to see more projects from us, please visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here on YouTube and click the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.